today's video, guys, I'm gonna be teaching you about or talking to you about basically affiliate marketing for beginners, 3 steps, right? So just yesterday, recently, I got myself a new phone, right? I got myself a new phone, from affiliate marketing, just from affiliate marketing, right? So I just wanna say that, uh, the reasons why people fail, right? The reasons why people fail. Because the first thing you need to understand in affiliate marketing, or the first thing you need to do in affiliate marketing is get results, right? Obviously, that's the obvious thing because it's a get results thing, right? But people don't really understand that you must get results, right? And not like a must, but then you will need to get results at some point, or else you're just gonna leave the game, right? If you don't get results, then what's the point of you even going there? It's just like going to practice, soccer practice or something, but then you're not getting any results from it, right? So what's the point of the whole thing then, right? So that's the whole point of affiliate marketing. That's why you need to strive for getting results, right? You need to strive for getting results, right? The second thing is believe in the system, believe in the process, and in order for you to get those results you want, right? It's going to be a short video. In order for you to get those results you want, you need to believe. I hope I spelled that correctly. Believe in the process. Wow. Okay. Anyways, you need to believe in the process, right? You need to believe into the process that, hey, I'm gonna succeed, I'm gonna do this, right? Because if you don't believe in the process, what's the whole point of you trust uh going on actually with it, of you continuing anyways, right? Just like dating someone, dating a girl, if you don't believe in her or if you don't trust her, what's the point of you actually dating? Because that's the whole point of dating. You need to trust each other, right? So you need to believe in the process in order for you to continue with affiliate marketing, right? Because if you now let me just write down believe real quick. Uh, right? You need to believe or trust the process, basically. Or let me say trust the process, right? Right? You need to believe or trust in the process, right? That's how you know it's gonna work. That's how you know, hey, I'm gonna get results with this thing because I believe in it and I'm putting all my work on my time in it, right? Because if you are putting all your time into something you don't believe, I mean, you won't even put time into something you don't believe, right? Unless it's your work because it's a must, right? But the fact that I believe that it's affiliate marketing and I believe that it's gonna work, it pushed me to that mindset of, hey, it's gonna work and I'm gonna make it work because it is working. I believe it's working, right? And I trust that it will work for me. That's why I got myself a new phone, right? I got myself a new phone. I wanted a new phone because I believe in the process. I trusted it. I believed it. I worked hard on it, right? And then the results showed up. The results eventually will show up, right? One thing you need to understand with affiliate marketing, I think people get this wrong, right? They think it's this time, get this money thing, right? Well, it's way more than that, right? It's like you need to know a lot of things before you start affiliate marketing. There's a lot of things that you need to put in place. There's a lot of things that you need to do, right? Just right now, I have a book, right? A book. I have two more notepads, right? Two more notepads uh in my room, right? And on my phone, I have still a notepad, right? Notepad, and this is my old one. It's my old book. It's my old book, right? I write down notes every single day, either of what I want to do, either of what I want to do, or what I want to, or what I've learned. I go with those things everywhere, every single way. If I don't have the hard cover of a book, I have my phone, right? I use the note screen on my phone, right? So people, you need to understand that, hey, this is gonna take time. It's gonna like take a lot of mental work. It, it will actually lead you to a point where you start seeing things differently. Right? That's all I like about affiliate marketing or internet marketing. Right? It will help you know, hey, friends are fake, friends are real. That's from what you're doing. Right? Recently, I think 3 days ago, I just said this. I deleted half of my contacts because the friends that I had in my contacts were just either people who want help from me, who needs money from me, like I'm a bank account or ATM machine for some reason, right? Or they just hate me, just don't like what I do, right? I just started deleting, right? You need to understand that this is gonna take time. It's not that. It's not just hey, bam, I'm gonna start with affiliate marketing. Okay, start with affiliate marketing. Then 2 days later, I got commissions everywhere. I got six-figure earnings. No, it's gonna take time. It's gonna take time. It's gonna take hard work, right? It's gonna take hard work. It's gonna take dedication. Everything that's included with affiliate marketing that helps you get results. It's gonna take. It's gonna take that, right? It's gonna take that type of action, right? So that's the whole point of affiliate marketing and why you should start. That's why and why you should start and why you must not. People, right? The third thing is be willing, right? Uh, be willing. What do I mean? What do I mean by be willing? Be willing to sacrifice time, hard work, dedication, time. There's gonna be time. I mean, it's not gonna be like you need to sacrifice, not need to, but you eventually have to sacrifice your time and money for this thing to work. Sometimes even your girlfriend or boyfriend or wife, whatever you are, right? She's gonna get mad of you or he's gonna get mad at you because you don't spend more time with her or he. Because you spend more time on your business. Why? It's because you are willing, right, to spend more time on this because this is going to work. Not necessarily that you are gonna leave them. No, it's because this that you have to put in work in this thing for it to start working for you. If you don't put in work and you think just results are just gonna pop out of the blue like that, you might as well just stop, right? Might as well just stop. There's days where I cancel meetings or no, not meetings, but events with my friends. Like, hey, let's go on a movie. I'm like, okay, yeah, we can go on a movie, right? And then later on when hey, I have too much work. I can go to the movie. I cancel the movie and said like, hey, sorry, I can't make it to the movie. Uh, can you do this another time? They still go. I stay home and do my work because I'm willing to do that. Because I know that in the long term, it's gonna help me. In the long term, who's gonna be happy? It can be me, right? Because in the short term, right now, if you're doing the short term happiness, it's not gonna work. You need to think long term, right? So if you're not willing to sacrifice your time and your money, you might as well just stop, right? Because it's not gonna work. If you don't have time and if you don't have money, that's all the whole point of it, right? So thank you guys for watching. My name is Suleiman Chiepo, guys. Don't forget to check out the first link in the description, guys. It's to my number one recommended course that helps me teach you everything that I know here. It teaches you the mindset of affiliate marketing, everything that you need to know affiliate marketing, like how to promote, how to get sales, how to get them, how to get sales funnel, how to do email copy, everything that you need to know, right? How to even to change your mindset, how to rewire it, how to think basically like an entrepreneur, right? It's the first link in the description, guys. Thank you guys for watching. My name is Suleiman Chiepo. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel if you enjoyed the video that I put out on every single day. See you in the next video, guys. Like this video and peace out.